And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
At 6:44 this morning, we are starting the day on a different note compared to yesterday morning. It was cool. It wasn't humid. Well, today is a little bit different. You don't need your jacket. We're at 77 degrees in Brownsville to 73 in McAllen. Good morning to you in Harlingen. You're waking up at 74 and it's 72 for us here in Weslaco. Now check this out. We have our dew point value at 69. That puts us in between the muggy and very humid category. That is the big difference this morning. Also, that southerly wind is really drawing in that lower level moisture between about 9 and 14 miles per hour, even gusting near 22 miles per hour in Brownsville. Thing about it, the wind is not going to let up today. Let's take a look here at the next 7 hours. You'll notice those wind speeds pick up again by mid-morning. We're talking 9 to 18 miles per hour with gusts up near 23, possibly even 25 miles per hour, and a little bit stronger at the coast. So it's going to be one of those days where we do have a breeze, but it will be on the warm side of things. It's not a cool breeze, and it'll definitely keep us warm too. Now we are starting the day with a few clouds overhead, especially in the mid to lower valley. Upper valley not so much, but you will have a good amount of sunshine despite where you're at this afternoon. Temperatures will begin to warm up from 73 to 88 by noon, 94 for your drive time home. So you know it's going to be a very steamy day when you're still in the 90s near drive time home. So let's take a look here. 96 degrees is your daytime high today. 101 for tomorrow and 94 degrees by Thursday. So yeah, it looks like things go up a notch or two, and that's behind a cold front. And you're like, a cold front? I'm like, yeah, there it is. It's right along the north, just kind of moving into the northern portion of the state near the Panhandle. That front will move through early tomorrow morning. It's going to cause the winds to shift, especially in the upper levels of the atmosphere. They're going to come off that Mexican plateau and condense and heat up. And with all the dry air in place, and your humidity is going to drop tomorrow. It's still going to be a scorching hot day in the triple digits. But the thing about it is also with the gusty winds tomorrow, you really want to avoid any type of burning outdoors. So now the heat will continue as we head into the weekend. 102 for Saturday, then back to 87 for Sunday. So what brings us back down to more average like heat? Well, that is a weak cold front that'll be rolling through early in the day on Sunday, and it looks like it sets us up for more average like heat as we head into next week. But for today, we will have a small craft advisory for the Bay and the Gulf waters starting at 10 o'clock this morning. Keep in mind with those winds picking up and gusting up near 30 knots or up to about 32 miles per hour offshore. Seas will be averaging 4 to 6 feet, but the farther offshore you go, up to 9 feet is possible. There will be rough conditions building on the bay. For now, there's a moderate chop. Mariners, you need to be very, very careful while you're out there today. Fishermen, high tide is at 1:58 this afternoon. If you are headed to the coast today to beat the heat, high temperature out there, 85 degrees. And then the farther inland you go, that's where the heat really settles in. We'll be at 90 in Brownsville, 94 in Harlingen, 96 in Raymondville as well as Weslaco, 98 today at Edinburg to 100 in McAllen, 102 in Rio Grande City. The heat continues tomorrow with 101 in the forecast. It will be a lot less humid, but still very, very hot out there. 94, there we go. A little bit of a break on Thursday from the triple digit heat, but it returns for Friday and Saturday with 100 and 102. Breezy, hot and humid conditions settle in for Friday and Saturday, but by Sunday, less humid, near average in the mid to upper 80s for Sunday and Monday. Your overnight lows will stay in the mid to upper 60s and low 70s for the next 7 nights. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.